welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Nyechi, Chiemela. You can call me Mela for short. Alright, so in today's video I will be showing you guys a simple DIY. Yes, a do-it-yourself exfoliating scrub for your armpits, for your underarm, especially if you have dark armpits or dark underarms. Yes, this is kind of like part 2 of the video I made when I talked about how to get rid of dark armpits. I'm going to leave a link of that video on top or on the description box down below in case you haven't watched it, so you can check it out and watch that video. I did promise you guys that I was going to make a detailed video to show you guys how I make my exfoliating underarm scrub. Yes, and for this DIY today I will be using turmeric. You guys know the amazing benefits of turmeric in skincare. I'm also going to be using sugar for exfoliating, and then I'm also going to be adding honey. Honey is an antibacterial ingredient, a natural humectant, and then I'm also going to be using lime. If you don't have lime, of course you can use lemon, some good old lemon, and then of course I'll be using milk. Yes, 3 Crown milk. If you're in Nigeria, you should be quite familiar with 3 Crown milk. Yes, I love 3 Crown milk. Yes, it's a delicious milk, but for today's DIY I will not be using it to bake. I'll be using it for skincare, to make an exfoliating underarm scrub for your dark armpits. Yes, all right, okay. So once again I'll be using baking soda. Baking soda has amazing exfoliating properties and it is very good in exfoliating. I'm going to leave the benefits of all the ingredients I'm talking about on the screen. If you don't have lime, you can use lemon. I'm making use of honey, milk. If you don't have yogurt or whipped cream, you can get yourself some good old milk. I don't mean old like stale milk, like fresh milk. And then at the same time you can get yourself sugar for exfoliating. Some people can still decide to use salt, but I prefer to use sugar. So make sure you get yourself some sugar and then get yourself baking soda. Yes, baking soda. So you use this exfoliating paste for 3 days, or better still for 1 week. I am so sure with consistency you will see results with time. But for the purpose of this video, I did see my results within 3 days of consistency. I think I used it like 2 times a day, and I did moisturize immediately after I wash off. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram and follow my Facebook page, very important. Yeah, so without further ado, let's dive right into today's video. Around and relax. Let me show you guys how to make this exfoliating paste, which is kind of like an exfoliating scrub for your underarms or dark armpits, and give this video a thumbs up. Hey everyone. All right, so make sure you stir very well before you begin applying the paste on your dark armpit or your armpit. As you can see on the photo right here on day 1, you can see how dark my armpits were looking, like very bad, so uneven, off my complexion. And yes, make sure while applying you make use of the back of your spoon if you don't have a blush brush, just in case. Alright, so be consistent with this remedy and I promise you will definitely see results, okay? Alright, so now this is day 3, guys. As you can see, my armpits are looking delicious. Yes, guys, so try this remedy. Trust me, you'll see results. I love you and see you next time. Bye.